What's happening, guys? Seeing how I just unboxed the HTC EVO 3D, getting the LG Optimus 3D was kind of a surprise to us. We just got this device in, and this is LG's Optimus 3D. Also on the box right here you can see that it's got a free HDMI cable inside, and it's beyond dual core technology. It's called a tri-dual technology. I don't know what that means right now, but I'll have the full specifications for you guys soon enough. This has a TI OMAP 4 processor, glasses free 3D. You have 5 megapixel dual cameras. You can also watch YouTube in 3D since the display is capable of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the LG Optimus 3D. So very iPhone-esque packaging. First and foremost in the box you get the Optimus 3D. I'm going to put that aside for the time being. Going further in, you have the user guide and manual. You also have the battery here. This battery is a 3.7 volt, 1540 milliampere hour battery. So it's a smaller battery when you compare it to the battery on the EVO 3D. This is your HDMI out cable to connect to your television. This is the standard micro USB to USB cable. The LG in-ear type earphones, which are generic from LG to Samsung. I think the same company manufactures for both of them. I don't know. This is your charging brick, again with the USB port, Indian pin system. So let's put everything back and let's take a look at the device itself. So in the front of the device here is the front-facing camera. You also have your earpiece up here next to the LG logo. You also have ambient light sensor and proximity sensor right next to the LG logo. This is the 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen display, 480 by 800 pixel resolution, which is much lower than the resolution on the EVO 3D. I don't know why LG is stuck with this resolution, but they should have upgraded the resolution to a higher resolution now. Moving on, we have the capacitive touch buttons at the bottom here. You have this really nice chin bezel, brushed aluminium finish. On the bottom here is the microphone hole along with the tap to pull out the back cover. On the right hand side is the dedicated camera shutter button, which is used to take 3D pictures as well as videos. You also have the volume rocker up top over here. So on the top over here next to the lock button is a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. A unique place to place this microphone. Usually it's right next to the 3.5mm jack. But you have the lock unlock button here, which is also the power button, and you have your 3.5mm jack. On your left here you have the USB or the micro USB charging as well as data syncing port, and you have the HDMI out port for connecting using the wire, which is included for free in the box. On the back side here you have dual 5 megapixel cameras along with a single LED flash, 3D stereoscopic embedded into this metallic plate. You have the LG logo, the loudspeaker is over here. Let's see if we can remove the back panel. So no memory card is included. This is the memory card slot. You also have the SIM card slot over here. I'm going to quickly pop in the battery and see if we can power on the device and give you a quick interface tour before we conclude this unboxing. While the device powers on, I'm going to compare it with the EVO 3D that we just unboxed before this. You see it side by side, almost identical looking devices. Both of them have almost the same thickness, the same size. The difference here is that you also have the soft touch panel on the LG. On the back here you have this texturized back panel on the EVO 3D. A very nice shutter button on the EVO 3D. This is like a standard camera button, not too impressive. You have the 3D 2D switch here, that's missing on the Optimus. And apart from that, the HTC also has a larger resolution compared to that of the Optimus. So let's quickly get over with this. I'm going to skip the setup. So this is the LG 3D user interface. You can pinch to zoom out into the canvases, jump from one canvas to the other, almost like HTC Leap here. And you can pull down to see the quick launch buttons, mute unmute switch, Wi-Fi on and off, Bluetooth on and off, location on and off, and data toggle. You also have your music controls directly over here. Going in, let's go into the settings panel. You can also collapse your applications into groups, which is brilliant. Good interface by LG over here. something uniquely different, never seen this before. Go into About Phone here and let's see, it's running Android 2.2. Quite a bit of disappointment over here. It's not running Android Gingerbread, it's running Android Froyo, which is quite disappointing. Hopefully LG will have an update out soon. That kind of limits the comparison a little bit because this device also has a higher resolution display, is a bit cheaper than the Optimus, also has Gingerbread running on it. So let's quickly power on the camera here and let's see if there's a toggle for 2D and 3D. Nice interface here, 3D interface already activated. I'm in glasses free 3D right now. Pretty impressive over here. If I go into the 3D camera, the camera comes out, looks at me in the face, and let's see if I can power it, take a quick picture of its closest competitor, why not? It's taking a long time to power on, but now you can probably see the 3D interface when I move the screen around like this. So this is taking a picture in 3D. Like I said, there's a toggle for 3D and 2D within the interface instead of it being on the outside, which I think is a little more convenient when you ask me, but that's everyone's choice. And then let's quickly take a 2D picture and let's get back to the camera, and now let's take a 3D picture. And the display goes on to 3D as soon as you open a 3D image. I'm going to be reviewing this device in depth and giving you a full review and a full comparison with the EVO 3D, which is placed right next to it. Both these devices are around 35,000 rupees in the market. So expect a full review soon, guys, and stay tuned for those. For more unboxing videos, reviews and tutorials, log on to iGyaan.in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate your feedback. If you have any queries or questions, log on to our forums at igyaanforum.com. If you have any comments or feedback, leave those in the comment section below. Please take out the time and subscribe to our channels on YouTube, which is youtube.com/iGyaan, youtube.com/iGyaanTV. You can also catch us on Facebook, Twitter and on Google+. The links to those are in the description below or at the end of this video. For iGyaan.in, this has been Bharat Nagpal with a quick unboxing of the new LG Optimus 3D.